Hello everyone, my name is Floyd and welcome to the Normal Human Cooking Show. Today we are making pancakes. Get a mixing bowl and add 1 1/2 cups of flour. Four teaspoons of baking powder to make the pancakes all fluffy. And a pinch of salt. Mix all the dry ingredients. Next, get another bowl for the wet ingredients. Grab 1 egg and crack them into a bowl. Add 1 1/4 cup of milk or any substitute to drown out that unborn chicken. Then add 1/4 cup of melted butter and use a fork to mix. Add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix again. Add the wet mixture to the dry and fold the batter until there are no lumps. Do not overmix, which could make the batter tough. If you like, add chocolate chips or blueberries to your batter, except strawberries. The red reminds me of the war. Add a bit of butter to your pan until it melts. Add 1/3 cup of batter and wait 2 to 3 minutes on each side or until the top bubbles. Make sure you don't overcook your pancakes or else they'll look like this. It's common for beginner cooks, a very human mistake. Get a plate to stack and bon appetit. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to see more of the Normal Human Cooking Show.